Again, the same as in the first part of the form. I'll repeat that sequence. From this point, we are going to go into what is known as the four corners. So there's no need to go into detail about the previous movements. Next is the four corners. From what we're going to do here is we're going to sink in the front leg and spiral backwards, keeping the right arm in line with the right leg and being careful not to move the back leg. So again, we use the waist. Sink, and again it's grass sparrow's tail, and now all the weight is on this leg. I'll show you from the front. Yes. Okay, one more time. This hand is going to be level with the head. This joint in the neck, yeah? This one is slightly lower, so the wrist here level with the shoulder. So in actual fact, the hand will be level with the head, and this will be just a little bit lower. One more time. You'll notice she moved her foot slightly. It should stay in the same place. So when you turn, it's not actually a step. You just rise and place the foot and sink, elbow in, arm and leg together. Okay, good. I'll demonstrate that once before. It's a common mistake. So from here, this, just to here. What people normally do is take a little bit of a step. Or do this kind of thing, or this. So what happens is, the right leg is empty. Then through,